Fry Canyon has old Indian ruins, and there's no sign for the overlook. There's a viewpoint that offers a good view of the ruins, and several very good camping spots in the area nearby. And it's a beautiful spot from which to watch a sunset and spend an evening stargazing. That said, passing through in midday in the summer, it is hot, hot, hot. It's about 115 degrees as we made our way through this canyon, which is aptly named, Fry Canyon.
when I was young.